Did you know? Imagine this. Combining broccoli with the wrong foods could actually be detrimental to your health. Even though broccoli is celebrated as one of the top 10 superfoods, not every pairing works in its favor. Yes, even superfoods like broccoli need to be eaten correctly to fully unlock their potential benefits. The wrong combination can diminish its health-boosting powers. That's why I've put together something special for you to ensure you're getting the most out of your broccoli. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 worst and 3 best foods to pair with broccoli. Stick around to learn how to make your broccoli dishes both tasty and beneficial for your health. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share these insights with your loved ones and help spread the word about Dr. Cuckoo. I promise to keep bringing you the best health tips. You've likely heard time and again how essential it is to include vegetables in your diet, right? But if you had to pick just one, cruciferous vegetables would be the top choice. Their name comes from the Latin word crucifer, meaning cross-bearing, due to their 4-petaled flowers resembling a cross. These superfoods are packed with nutrients and have outstanding health benefits. In our daily meals, we often see broccoli, cabbage, kale, radishes, bok choy, and turnips from this family. These cruciferous vegetables are rich in compounds like sulforaphane, renowned for their immune-boosting effects. Today's highlight among these health-promoting vegetables is broccoli, celebrated for its ability to combat harmful cells. The NCI has even labelled broccoli as the best anti-disease agent, while Johns Hopkins School of Medicine has hailed it as a cure-all. But here's a surprising fact. Even a health powerhouse like broccoli can become harmful if combined with the wrong foods. Worst combination: broccoli and vinegar. Let's explore 3 food combinations with broccoli that could be harmful to your health, and 3 that can help you live a healthier, longer life. One of the worst combinations for broccoli is, surprisingly, vinegar. Surprised? Many people enjoy steaming or blanching broccoli and dressing it with a vinegar-based sauce. But it turns out this pairing can actually harm the nutrients in broccoli. Aside from its amazing sulforaphane, which fights off unhealthy cells, broccoli is also rich in vitamins and minerals. Did you know that broccoli contains twice as much vitamin C as lemons and 7 times more than potatoes? That's right. Broccoli is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which helps eliminate harmful free radicals, aids in recovery from fatigue, prevents colds, and greatly enhances skin health. Furthermore, broccoli is loaded with the powerful antioxidants beta-carotene and vitamin A, making it ideal for boosting your immune system, especially now, as the weather fluctuates with cool mornings and evenings. Including broccoli in your diet is essential, but here's the catch. These wonderful vitamins are quite sensitive to acids. So if you're diligently eating broccoli for your health and then dousing it with acidic vinegar or lemon juice dressing, all your efforts could go to waste. So what should you use instead? The answer is horseradish or mustard. Best combination: broccoli and horseradish or mustard. For the immune-boosting compound sulforaphane in broccoli to be effective, it requires the enzyme myrosinase. This enzyme is plentiful in spicy condiments like horseradish and mustard. So, instead of dipping your broccoli in vinegar or acidic dressings, try pairing it with horseradish or mustard. This approach not only preserves the vitamins, but also maximizes the antioxidant benefits. Best combination: broccoli and citrus fruits. The first food pairing we recommend with broccoli is mandarins or oranges. When the weather cools down, what fruit comes to mind first? Undoubtedly, it's the sweet and tangy mandarin. Mandarins packed with vitamins are a perfect match for broccoli. Besides the previously mentioned vitamins, broccoli is also rich in iron. The iron content in broccoli is more than double that of other vegetables and is of high quality, making it easily absorbed by the body. This makes it excellent not only for relieving muscle soreness and cramps, but also for purifying the blood, strengthening blood vessels, and preventing anemia. But here's a key detail. There's a way to double the absorption of iron in broccoli. When you eat foods rich in vitamin C, like mandarins and oranges, it helps enhance iron absorption, creating a powerful synergy. Additionally, the vitamin K in broccoli aids in calcium absorption, making it great for preventing osteoporosis. Since mandarins and oranges are nutrient-rich, make sure to pair them with broccoli. Worst combination: broccoli and blood thinners. Another pairing to avoid is broccoli with certain blood thinners used for managing high blood pressure or cholesterol, such as warfarin, or for those taking aspirin. You might already know that broccoli is rich in potassium, antioxidants, and a good amount of calcium, making it excellent for preventing high blood pressure. Regularly consuming broccoli has been shown to reduce heart and artery pressure and lower stress levels, especially as colder weather approaches, leading to the constriction of blood vessels and a higher risk of acute illnesses. Broccoli becomes an essential food, but it's important to note that the vitamin K in broccoli can counteract the effects of warfarin-based blood pressure medications. Meanwhile, aspirin and other drugs for high blood pressure and hyperlipidemia thin the blood to prevent sudden clots. Broccoli helps with blood clotting, stopping bleeding, and healing wounds in blood vessels. So, while broccoli has numerous benefits, there is a risk it could interfere with the effectiveness of these medications, so be cautious. It's recommended to wait about 2 hours after taking your medication before consuming broccoli. A quick tip: if you're considering drinking concentrated broccoli juice, be aware that it could strain your liver. It's best to consume broccoli cooked and in its natural form. Best combination: broccoli and onions. Another great pairing for broccoli is onions. Broccoli is rich in selenium, which neutralizes harmful free radicals and boosts our immune system. It has been shown to be beneficial against colon, lung, breast, and liver diseases. Broccoli is also high in fiber, which binds to harmful substances and carcinogens in the intestines, helping to flush them out of the body. Including broccoli in your diet strengthens your immune system, prevents colds and coughs, and keeps your body disease-resistant. Here's where it gets interesting. The combination with onions creates a fantastic effect. The quercetin in onions significantly enhances broccoli's benefits. Quercetin helps protect the walls of blood vessels from damage, lowers levels of unhealthy LDL cholesterol, and has been shown to reduce blood pressure. Adding onions to broccoli amplifies its protective effects on blood vessels, and the sharp taste of onions, due to compounds like allyl sulfides, significantly contributes to dilating blood vessels. Moreover, when eaten together, broccoli and onions can help reduce arteriosclerosis, hyperlipidemia, and body fat, making them a great duo for dieting and weight control. Worst combination: broccoli and diabetes management. Lastly, broccoli might not be the best option for people managing diabetes or those who need to control their blood sugar levels. Broccoli has a very low glycemic index, GI, and is highly effective at lowering blood sugar, which makes it popular among diabetics. Research even suggests that sulforaphane in broccoli can effectively lower blood sugar levels. However, this effect can sometimes be too strong. Looking at the diets of diabetics, it was found that too much cruciferous vegetables like broccoli could lead to hypoglycemia. Some people even replace rice with broccoli or cauliflower for blood sugar control or weight loss. Remember that even with the healthiest foods, too much can be harmful, so moderation is key. Here's a tip: some people overcook broccoli, which can destroy its vitamins and sulforaphane. Steaming or microwaving broccoli preserves its nutrients better than boiling, so keep that in mind. Best combination: broccoli and tomatoes. Lastly, tomatoes make an excellent partner for broccoli. You probably already know how beneficial tomatoes are for your health. Alongside broccoli, tomatoes are recognized as one of the top 10 superfoods. When eaten together, they form a powerful immune-boosting duo. Lycopene, the antioxidant in tomatoes, is absorbed much more effectively when combined with broccoli. Studies show that this combination significantly enhances overall well-being, supports cellular health, and strengthens the immune system, making it an ideal pairing. Specifically, the vitamin content in broccoli stems is significantly higher than in the florets, and when you lightly sauté tomatoes and broccoli in oil, nutrient absorption increases dramatically, something you should definitely remember. Summary: best and worst broccoli combinations. So, we've covered the 3 worst and 3 best food pairings with broccoli. To recap, instead of dipping broccoli in vinegar-based sauces, try horseradish or mustard to maximize its immune-boosting properties. As a vitamin powerhouse, broccoli pairs wonderfully with mandarins, making it an excellent choice. If you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, wait about 2 hours after taking your medication before eating broccoli. Pairing broccoli with onions is great for preventing cardiovascular diseases. And for those managing blood sugar, remember not to overdo it with broccoli. Moderation is essential. Pairing broccoli with tomatoes makes it a truly perfect duo. As the weather cools and temperature fluctuations increase, it's crucial to include broccoli in your diet to prevent colds, strengthen your immune system, and eliminate carcinogens from your body. How does that sound? I hope you'll prepare and enjoy broccoli with these perfect food pairings to maintain your health. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, share it with your family and friends. I always wish for your health and happiness. Thank you very much.